everyone, my name is Professor Peehu, and I have a beautiful thing because what we're going to do is going to be explosive. This is my science experiment, Volcano. The two ingredients I need is vinegar and baking powder. First I'm going to add a little bit, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. One. Two. That will be enough. Actually, a little bit more might be needed. Not this much. And that will be enough. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the vinegar. We'll first measure it into this. That will be enough. About half of this cup. And now, it erupted. And that is my volcano science experiment. Thank you.
Why did it happen?
It happens because when baking powder or baking soda reacts with vinegar, it makes an explosion. Thank you.